Guys, Happy New Year and thanks for watching to the end of this video. This build was heavily inspired by Frank Carpenter13 on Instagram. He's been making these sweet as router bases over on his feed, and this one that I made was just a poor imitation of what he makes. And I would encourage you to go over and check out him. I'll put the links and everything. Me and Frank, we know each other through Scott Brown Carpentry on YouTube. We've been subscribed over there for quite a while, and now Frank's got his own YouTube internet. Frank's got his own Frank's got his own Instagram feed. He's got about 1,000 subs. Well done, man. That's awesome. And he does some really cool things over there. So Frank's been making router bases for various professional people around the world. He's made one for Scott Brown. He's made one for quite a few other carpenters over in the States. I guess they are. I don't know where. They're all Instagram people. And just towards the end of recording this video, I got a message from Frank saying that he was going to make one for me. So stoked, man. That's going to really up my game to have a real Carpenter 1.3 router base. My routing at the moment, it's like, whoa, it's like, I'm all over the place. It's like 6 beers in, man. I'm wandering around like getting home after a night on the booze, man. So that's really going to be so cool. Really appreciate it. And all the best for your Instagram feed, and for everyone else, subscribers here on my channel, a big thank you, and I hope you keep watching through 2019. It's going to be a great year. Cheers, guys.